When I finished my studies, I had already collected some work experience in the fast-moving consumer goods industry. What I was missing at my previous employer was the aspect of an international, really challenging career. I then found a job ad from Reckitt Benckiser in the internet. It was about a management trainee program in the HR department, and this was exactly what I was looking for. I started my trainee program in Mannheim with some very interesting projects right at the beginning. After a few weeks, I had the possibility to gain some sales experience with a field sales force. I then moved to my first international project here in Switzerland. I think my greatest achievement so far was to come to grips with the culture and the velocity of the business. I had to jump in at the deep end and handle several projects in a really short space of time. It's really the responsibility that I enjoy here, and especially in my role in Switzerland, it's really an honor that I'm given this responsibility because I have shown that I can handle it. For me, the best thing about working in the HR department is that I can work cross-functional every day. We recruit talent, and we develop people, and we perform as a business partner for all the departments of the organization, which could be sales, marketing, finance, supply service, or whatever you want to think about. For me, as a prospective HR manager, it will get harder and harder to find the right people and to recruit talent for the company. This means for us that the competition on the job market will increase and fewer qualified applicants are available. As an HR manager, you have to find the right strategies to meet these changes and to face this huge challenge, and this will be a really exciting part of the future. One thing I would recommend to other people who are about to employ: believe what they tell you in the assessment process. If they tell you that the company is open and direct, without much hierarchy, really achievement focused and always striving to outperform the targets, this is the reality. If you are really eager to get your career moving and to face new challenges every day, this is the right place to be for you.